Welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is FiiO BTR17, a flagship level DAC. So let's test it and see how it will perform. But I am very excited about it, and the reason is because I think this is next level. So here it is, Bluetooth and a DAC headphone amplifier. So there is a lot to talk about it. First, let's unbox it, and then I'll share my first impressions with you guys and review also. Welcome to my review section, friends. In my previous YouTube video of FT1 Pro, I said that my next reviews are going to be short, but I think this is going to be a long review. Before I start my review, I would like to tell you that do not buy this product at full price because there is no need for it. Always buy the product at discounted price. The original price of BTR17 is 200, so if you can get it in between 150 to 170, wouldn't that be great? So I will provide you the cheapest link in my description along with the discounted code. So use both to get the most benefit. Never buy the products at full price. Now if I talk about the BTR17, I am absolutely loving it. It's not just impressive in its performance, but also very beautiful. It's one of the most beautiful DACs I have ever seen. It's just so beautiful and sci-fi looking product. Don't worry, friends, I will cover the FiiO BTR17 from everyone's point of view, like from audiophile's perspective and what do I think of it, and if you are new to this kind of products, what you may think of it. Let me tell you my point of view first. Guys, I am a person who buys anything which I like, even if I have already the existing products and are working perfectly, I still upgrade. Like I will buy the S25 Ultra even though I don't need it, as I already have S24 Ultra and 16 Pro Max. So I am different. Now if I talk about it from an audiophile's perspective, meaning the people who are in this hobby, guys, you will definitely like it. It's a great improvement. No latency, great sound quality, very balanced and very powerful. The review will be in next part, so stay tuned. As far as the new consumers are concerned, my recommendation would be that this device is not a must-have item for you, but if you are really interested in this, you can of course buy it, and then you won't need any Bluetooth or wired DAC ever, because this is a complete device. It's just wonderful. So this was an early important discussion, a must-have discussion. So if you are interested, the cheap link plus discount code is available in the description. Now let's start my review, and let me uncover it. This is just so beautiful. Let me first clean the screen so you can see that it's just so beautiful. First, I want to talk about its weight. It has a very balanced weight, so it's very good. However, if you add a cover onto it, then it feels a little heavy. As far as the design is concerned, obviously it's very efficient and it's completely perfect and it looks very beautiful. The blue color is just so perfect from every angle. The volume knob button is not very hard, not very loose, and it is balanced, means it's very easy to use. And then you can see that there are a lot of options available here. Please pause the video to see all the functions related to it. This will be very helpful for you. Now coming to the most important topic, which is its sound quality. Friends, if I summarize all of my testing and experience with FiiO BTR17 into one sentence, then I would say this FiiO BTR17 is a sound museum. It is a museum of past, present and future sound genres. Do you understand my point? It has everything. Let me on this for you. So you can see it has a very beautiful screen. It's just so powerful wirelessly as well. Very fast sound, very detailed, extremely rich sound, like you feel tiny background instruments as well. It's very transparent, very open, very wide. It has a very huge space to capture and convey every type of sound instruments, etc. When I listened to the FiiO FT1 Pro with FiiO BTR17, it was mind-blowing experience. I was very surprised, believe me. I enjoyed it that much that now I am using BTR17 and FT Pro together for past 5 days. The experience is very great, and friends, believe me, I am absolutely not exaggerating at all. Overall, the sound stage is very correct and balanced, and if I talk about the EQ options available here, I don't think I can tell you all about it, but in simple, you can go to FiiO Control app where you can customize the EQ options and save every set. You can save at least 10 sets, and the interesting part is that you can switch between different EQs very easily by pressing this button 2 times. So it's very easy. I can't cover everything, but there are a lot of things. Now coming to my last point, a lot of people wants it to be compared with FiiO KA17. There is no doubt that KA17 is an impressive and excellent device, but it can't be compared with BTR17 because BTR17 is a powerhouse wirelessly and wired both, and it's a proper sound museum. And even if we draw a comparison between BTR17 and KA17, BTR17 would easily win by more than 50 points. So I can confidently and honestly say that BTR17 is more impressive than KA17. So I can easily recommend BTR17 over KA17. Well, now I was going to end my review here, but I just got left 2 things to discuss more. Firstly, I really like this cable. It is super amazing, very flexible and easy to use. No matter how much you move around the device, it doesn't get disturbed at all. This is the best cable I've seen with dongle DAC. The second thing is that the battery timing is 8 hours. That is fine. I want to know your opinion, guys. What do you think? Is it fine? Because I was regularly using it, so I felt a little uncomfortable because 8 hours are easily passed and then you have to charge it again and then the cycle repeats itself. But anyway, this is the feeling when you regularly use it. I think I have said enough. That's it with my review. Normally I don't make long reviews. As far as my recommendation is concerned, you may know it already. This is an excellent device and I am really enjoying it. And now if I ever need to use a DAC again, I will always use BTR17. This has everything I need and it is very satisfactory. So I 100% recommend it. Don't buy at full price. Use my cheapest link and discount code which is available in the top of description. Enjoy the BTR17. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good time.